Hi Louise, I'm just gonna go over a couple of quick tips on the yo-yo game. I know we talked about it, but I just wanted to give you some video to follow the yo-yo game. I picked Phoenix today because he's a lot like your boy. We'll see tail swishing. He's not great at the games because I don't even think we've spent a lot of time teaching them to him. So it'll be interesting to watch him choose to either listen or try to figure out the answer. So the first thing I wanted to show you is the yo-yo and how to push him back off your space from close up, and we talked about that. So I'm reaching for him, and that's called avoidance. So, oops, no, that's called I got an itch. Okay, so I'm going to put my fingers on either side of his face. That's called avoidance, and he's known for that because when we first got him, he loved pushing on the bit or pulling on the bit and anticipating pain from the bit. So that's what this actually simulates. So I'm going to catch my thumb underneath this now to prevent him from avoiding the pressure when I put the pressure on. I haven't even put it on, but he's already acting like he's pulling the reins out of the rider's hand, which is something he did pretty often when we first got him. So now that he's being quiet and he's not trying to avoid my hand either by going down or by going up, which if I was on him, he will show me the exact same behavior. I'm going to go ahead and put my hand on him again. So I've caught my thumb underneath there, and I haven't asked him to do anything. He's just trying to shake my hand off. Okay, so he just licked and chewed. I took my hand off and went, that's the response I'm looking for. Not your arguing about my hand being there in the first place. But he is anticipating pressure on the face, which for him is pain in the mouth from the bit before. So I'm going to rub him first. There we go. And that's how light he can be on a backup. So I didn't want him to get into a fight with me about it. So as soon as he did it, before I barely even put my hand there, he went, okay, fine. To get you to let go, all I have to do is move my feet. So I'm going to put my hand here real soft, and this is how we teach softness of mouth instead of fighting. So I'm going to press with my thumb first because the left foot's in front, and he's pushing back into me. So I'm going to push back, and then I'm going to push with the other hand, and then I'm going to push with my other finger. And I'm not going to let go right now because even though I could start... Good boy. I could start using my stick and string. He was still avoiding me while I was doing that. So if I would have taken my hand away, I would have taught him that avoidance and pulling the reins out of my hand would have been an acceptable answer because I took the pressure away. Okay, go ahead and stop that, Em.